मैं हूँ शांतम, आपका अपना दोस्त, और आप देख रहे हैं शीशा 360। एंड आपको मैं बताऊँ, ये है शीशा मेसे इन स्पेन, सिविल। एंड आपको मैं लेकर चल रहा हूँ नेमलेस टोबैको कंपनी के पास, और देखते हैं इनके पास क्या है नया और क्या ये बताना चाह रहे हैं, कितनी फ्लेवर की लाइन इनके पास है। तो लेट्स मूव। हेलो माय फ्रेंड।
Hello.
कैन यू टेल मी फर्स्ट योर नेम प्लीज?
My name is Patricia and this is Mr. Mani.
And you are in the company name?
Our company name is Nameless Tobacco Germany.
Nameless Tobacco Germany. Their company name is Nameless Tobacco, and from Germany. And he's the boss and she's the marketing head. Okay. And can you tell me about your company, when you start?
We started 2 years ago. We are based in Stuttgart, in Germany, in the south of Stuttgart.
Okay, south of Stuttgart.
South of Germany.
Okay.
Yes.
And when you start your company?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. And what you make basically? Shisha or tobacco?
We make tobacco.
Okay.
And we make the one smoke.
Okay. This one?
This one.
Okay. Wow. This is very unique. I think this is only one charcoal is enough, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. This is I never seen the messe, any messe or any market. Yeah. This is your design.
It's revolution worldwide.
Heat control.
Yes, for heat control. You only need one piece of charcoal.
Okay, one piece of charcoal and then smoke. Can you show both? What's your name? I forget.
Mr. Madi.
Madi.
Yes. You use one smoke with one piece of charcoal, like you use with normal head with 3 pieces.
Oh, no need 3 pieces.
No need
So one
more.
piece is sufficient.
Yes.
Oh.
Very efficient and healthy because it's less of carbon dioxide.
Very good. See. Wow. Very nice. And can you tell me about your product? What is your packing? Can you show the packing?
Yes, of course. We have 2 types of packaging.
Okay.
This is the special edition, the white edition, and we have the purple edition, like normal tobacco.
And what is the difference in the white is the special edition and
It's a special edition. It's not always in stock, but very special flavor.
okay. And this tobacco is which tobacco you use?
It's Brazilian tobacco.
Is French?
No, on German. 100% German.
Okay.
100%
German tobacco. I show you the tobacco, friends. You can see this is golden color German tobacco, and this is the special edition, and this one is the normal edition, and tobacco also same looking, but the flavor is the different. Okay, and how many flavor in this?
We have together we have 25 flavors.
Okay, this is the menu 25 total. And I can see the white line is a special edition. And how many?
This is a special edition, and these are the purple edition.
Okay.
These ones are new
coming.
Yes,
upcoming. Okay, now they have the 25 flavor in the market this time, and the white line have the 20 flavor, and the purple line is have the 5 flavor, right? Yeah. And can you show the smoke, please? Wow, very good. Oh, he's the very strong man, like a health club gym man. Can you show your muscles also, please? Wow. Woo! I like this. Very nice. Okay. And can I smoke check? Wow, he can't give me. He not give me. Oh, very, very so good. He said very nice. I check and I tell you guys. Oh. It's really very smooth and very yummy taste. It's really why he not give me. I now understand.
Sorry.
Yeah, very good. And your both this invention is very nice, and your tobacco is very nice. And how much time your tobacco is one time? How much time?
Wie lange dauert das? Ja.
Unterschiedlich.
That depends on how you smoke the
Yeah, it's a
tobacco.
4% 1 hour or 1.5 hours.
Also gute 1,5 Stunden. 2 Stunden.
1 hour, 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Very good.
So it's possible.
1.5 hour and 2 hour इनकी चिलम चलती है. If my viewers want tobacco, this one, where they can buy?
They can buy it online on www.nameless-shisha.de.
Okay friends, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इनका ये वाला लिंक डाल दूंगा. If you want this tobacco, this is you can buy from online, and this is really very fantastic and very smooth quality tobacco. I really like this bicep and this tobacco.